What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete all Facebook posts at once by following these simple steps. All you have to do, guys, you just want to open your Facebook account, of course, now, and then you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right, or three little lions at the very bottom right. If you are using iPhone, you will if you are using Android, you will find three little lions in the top right instead. Okay, now if you are using iPhone, just want to click three little lions at the very bottom right, and then after you are on this page, you just want to scroll down. Let's scroll down a little bit and click on settings and privacy, and then after that, guys, you want to click on settings in the top, and after that, guys, you want to click on profile settings in the top again, and then scroll down a little bit and click on where it says activity log. Now you just want to click on manage your posts. As you can see, you will see here your posts, videos, text, states, updates that you have shared. Click on manage your posts. Now, if you want to remove all your posts at once, you just want to click on all. Okay, as you can see, it says here all. Click on all. Now, after that, you click on all. What you want to do, guys, you want to click on recycle bin. So the moment you click on that, all your posts will be deleted. Click on it. Oh my god, I don't want to delete all the posts. I thought they are going to delete it the moment I click on that, but there is another option, move to trash. Okay, click on move to trash. And that's exactly, guys, how you can remove all your Facebook posts at once. If you find value in this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have any question. Leave a comment. I reply to every single comment.